This might just be the very last car scanner you ever own. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. I am here with the Thinkscan 689 BT for Bluetooth. It's made by ThinkCar. It comes in 28 languages. It is completely expandable. You can add an endoscope, an O-scope, a TPMS reset tool, even a printer, and it has lifetime updates. Today we're going to take it out of the box. I'm going to show you all about its capabilities. We'll tell you what it can do for your car. This is my 2007 Lexus LS430. I'm having some problems with it, so we're going to use the 689 BT to get it completely fixed, and I'm going to tell you why I think you need one of these in your toolkit. Let me show you what you get in this very nice carrying case right here. This is to protect the screen of your very nice Thinkscan 689 BT Bluetooth, because your dongle here, your OBD2 dongle, is actually Bluetooth. It holds it right there. You get a little clip right here so this can go over your steering wheel and you can easily see. Because it comes in 28 different languages, you have all different kinds of charging ports right here. You get a cable right here. This is a Type-C cable. My favorite part, I gotta tell you though, is this little right here. Everything you need, and you carry it wherever you want to go. All right, let's go ahead and power it up. We're going to show you that it will auto read my VIN number, find what it is, tell me what it is, and then we're going to proceed and I'll show you some of the 34 functions that it can reset for you if you want to do some ECU coding, some TPMS work. This is what you need to do that. And with lifetime updates, I love it, I really do. I got to start off by telling you this little mascot right here was what kind of drew me in. Yes, this is the Monkey Wrench Mike channel, and they have a big gorilla as their mascot. So on the home screen here, you can diagnose, you have the maintenance option, you can upgrade this, once again, lifetime upgrades and everything else. Let's go into, these are some of the functions that you can do. ABS, reset, adaptive lighting right here if your car raises and lowers itself. ABS reset. So you've had an accident, your airbag has gone off. This is going to reset it once you fix that. On some vehicles, you have to tell the vehicle that it has a new battery. This will do it, okay? If you have, you're going to work on the brakes and it has electronic braking, you know, where it kind of automatically clenches and you want to change the brake pads, you can turn that off so you can actually take the brake pads off. You have all kinds of things. ECU recoding. Look at all this stuff that you can do. All of these functions right here. This is so nice, okay? So we can go into diagnose as well, and we will go ahead and use this because I've got to change the transmission fluid on my car. So let me show you how we did that and how this particular scanner really came in handy when I had to change the transmission fluid. Here we go, it's actually scanning for a VIN right now. We'll see how long this takes. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? That is so cool. It is really, really beautiful. Here's a great use of your Thinkscan 689 BT. Your pet duck is watching. You're having to change the transmission fluid on your 2007 Lexus LS430, which means you have to know what the temperature is for the actual transmission, because it has to be between, I think it's 110 and 130. So if you go into data stream, look at this. You can take a look immediately. Automatic transmission, oil temperature, 105. So we're getting very, very close. When it reaches the range that it's supposed to be in, I open a little bolt, transmission fluid drains out, and I'm good to go. But look, fantastic. Okay, I can see voltage, air conditioning signal, all kinds of information right here. And you can do this activation test as well. Let's say we want to check the battery current. How are we doing there? Yeah, 100 amps. So we are charging. Let's go back. What else can we look at? This is really a lot of fun. Coolant temperature. Okay. And engine speed, just for the heck of it. All this stuff we can look at. Oil temperature, 108. Coolant temperature, 195.8. Engine speed, 760-ish RPMs, which is fantastic. And they also have, I can go in here, I have an actuation test, so I can make the car do things. Control the injection volume, connect the TC and TE1, control the engine cooling fan, activate the vacuum pump, all this kind of stuff I can make the car do because it's bi-directional, it's two-way. It talks to the car and the car talks to it, and it can tell the car things to do.
I can't let this get out of control right here. So I'm looking for automatic temperature. Here we go. 114, we're almost there. So I'm gonna go down under the car, get ready to open the little bolt. The excess transmission fluid will drain and everything is gonna be fine. All right, coolant temperature is raising as well. This is so handy, and the fact that the dongle is attached right there, fantastic. This is the coolest thing ever. Look at all of these makes and models this thing covers. Every car you can ever imagine is covered by this. Well, it has to, because it speaks, 28 different languages. Look at that right there. So if I wanted to specialize in just American cars, I can do that. Chrysler, Cadillac, all of this kind of stuff. If I want to go to Asian cars, this is a Lexus. So let's see if we can find the Lexus. Here we go, Lexus. It's connecting to the Bluetooth. And there you go. It is the Lexus. There's the VIN right there. If you very quickly just want to read the OBD codes, you don't want to get in and diagnose anything just yet, this will do it for you. This is one of the options. We'll go ahead and enter this. I don't think there's any codes in the car, but I'll just show you how fast it is. So it's going into all of the different protocols. It's going to find one that matches, and look how fast that was. There's one diagnostic trouble code in this ECU. So let's kind of enter this. Read fault codes right here. Current. We have an O2 sensor. Oh, I got a lot more than I thought. We have a shift solenoid E performance stuck. There's a pressure control solenoid D performance stuck off. Pressure control solenoid C. These are the transmission problems that I'm having right here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like I have 6. Let's take a look at what we can read. Live data. This is some of the stuff you can take a look at. The throttle position sensor, airflow rate, barometric pressure, calculated low value, catalyst temperature, absolutely. Engine coolant temperature, engine RPM. These are the things that we went through when I was doing the transmission fluid change, okay? Super easy, super cool. So we've gone in and we have checked the codes so we can print out a health report if I want to do this. Look how fast it will scan this. There's the codes that we found just a minute ago. There's in the engine control module, transmission 8, ABS 1. Oh my gosh. We've got lots of codes in this car, but look how fast it goes. And the way that scanners, this is one way that scanners will read. Other will have them kind of laid out right here with these little rectangles, and they're red or green or gray depending on what's going on with them. This just kind of lists them like that, and let's see what it looks like when we're done here, and it has a summary. Here is your health report right here. It shows everything that is current and pending. Look at all these. For the OBD, we have the engine control module right here. We have electronic controlled transmission. Those are scary. And then we have the ABS system. Seems to have a malfunction in it as well. Everything else looks pretty good, as you can see with the green check marks. So one thing, if you do want to go in and you want to find out more information about this, if you're connected to the internet, and I haven't done this yet, you can push this right here and then it would automatically do a search. Chrome will pop up and it will do a search for you, which I think is really, really good. If I wanted to clear these trouble codes, all we have to do is do that, hit yes, and it's going to clear them all out. Then I'll start the car, and of course, they will all reappear. But here we go. Look how fast. This thing is blazingly fast. 43 system, found 0 diagnostic trouble codes. So it went into 43 modules. Look at all this. This is an amazing little scanner. This is so cool. And if I wanted to print a report, all I do is hit report. And just to show you some of the other things that this can do, you can reset your oil service light, steering angle sensor. You have the ABS bleeding like I talked about. You have your tire pressure sensor reset. If you have a mobilizer or keys you need to get programmed, this will do it. Injector coding, we talked about that. You can recalibrate your seats. Air conditioning initialization learning as well. Now they also have gearbox relearn, ECU reset, oil maintenance reset like I talked about. And if you put your vehicle, you can put it into transport mode if you have to get it shipped somewhere. So once again, this is the Thinkscan 689 BT
5-star reviews right there. Speaks 28 different languages. I have to look at my notes right here. And if you happen to drive, like a Fiat or a Chrysler, this will get in through that gateway that they have. That was an issue that I had with my 2014 Maserati. This got into it. It really got into my Maserati Ghibli that was completely submerged, and it helped me to diagnose what was going on. Did we get it running? You gotta stay tuned for the video for that. But once again, this is an 8-inch touchscreen. There is 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of read-only memory, and all kinds of active tests, so you can make the vehicle do basically pretty much whatever you want it to do. So we're gonna have more information on this below in the description box. Once again, the Thinkscan 689 BT. I believe right now it's on sale for about $567. That's down from almost $800. So please use the link below and go check it out. You're going to save yourself so much money. And because it has lifetime warranty on the upgrades, yeah, you can upgrade this as many times as they put something out. You can upgrade it and download it into your device, and you're 100% current for the rest of your life, which is amazing. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Once again, I'm Monkey Wrench Mike. Please go check out the link below, and I'll see you very soon in another video. All right? Bye-bye.